Have you ever pondered over the term balanced scorecard in the realm of business intelligence? It's a fascinating concept, and today we're delving into the ins and outs of it. Imagine a pilot flying a plane. They have numerous gauges and dials to monitor, right? Speed, altitude, fuel level, and so forth. That's precisely what a balanced scorecard is in business. It's a performance measurement framework that provides a balanced view of an organization's performance. Now, why is it called a balanced scorecard? The balance here refers to the equilibrium between short-term objectives and long-term goals, financial measures and non-financial measures, lagging and leading indicators, and internal and external performance perspectives. This innovative tool was developed by Drs. Robert Kaplan and David Norton in the early 90s. They introduced a method that measures performance not only from the financial perspective, but also from three additional angles: learning and growth, internal business processes, and customer perspective. Let's break these down a bit. The financial perspective covers measures such as operating income, return on capital employed, and economic value added. It focuses on the financial performance of a company and its economic consequences. The customer perspective gauges customer satisfaction and their perception of the value they receive from the organization. It could include measures like customer retention rate, customer satisfaction score, and net promoter score. The internal business process perspective looks at the processes that should be excelled at to meet customer and shareholder expectations. This could involve measures related to quality, cost, and delivery. The learning and growth perspective focuses on how the organization can continue to improve and create value. It considers aspects like employee satisfaction, retention, and skills development. The beauty of the balanced scorecard lies in its ability to provide a clear prescription as to what companies should measure to balance the financial perspective. It's a vital part of business intelligence because it allows organizations to track their performance and develop strategies for improvement. In conclusion, the balanced scorecard is a comprehensive framework that allows organizations to transform their strategic plan from a passive document into the marching orders for the organization on a daily basis. It provides a valuable snapshot of a company's overall health and its progress towards goals. So, what have we unraveled today? The Balanced Scorecard is a tool that gives a balanced view of an organization's performance from four perspectives: financial, customer, internal business process, and learning and growth. It was designed to help businesses track performance and develop strategies for improvement. It's a vital segment of business intelligence, acting as the pilot's dashboard in the flight of business success. This has been a brief journey into the fascinating world of balanced scorecards in business intelligence. You're now a bit wiser and ready to navigate the intricate maze of business intelligence. Remember, every great journey begins with a single step. Today, you've taken that step, so keep exploring, keep learning, and keep growing. Until next time, stay curious and stay informed.